People see what they want to see, and what people want to see never has anything to do with the truth. Roberto Bolaño.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, match, no drip, this, tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I
Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is my beginner's lash kit. These are the supplies that come in the box. I got this from Amazon. It was $34.99. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is just everything that came with the kit. I'm going to also make sure that I received everything that came in the kit. Here, I am just going to get a feel for everything that's in the box. This is my first time attempting to do lashes. So, yeah, I'm just going to take one of everything out and just go through the motions. In this clip, I'm not going to do the lashes because my glue was 2 days behind. But, like I said, I am going to go through the motions. These are the tweezers. I'm getting a feel for them. I'm going to open up the glue rings, put one on my finger, get a feel for it. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do here, is just get a feel for everything and just go through the motions. Here I'm putting the lashes on the mannequin. And I guess it had like a little sticky substance on it, but it really wasn't that sticky. But it was sticky enough to just play around with. Then I'm gonna test it out with the spoolie, see is it gonna stay. And yeah, it held together. I can definitely tell you here, I'm going through the motions and I am excited, and I can't wait to get my glue. But yeah, now I'm putting on the mapping stickers. Now that's the one thing I did not like about the box. The mapping stickers just would not stay on. You guys gonna see that in the later clip when I actually get my glue and I actually start doing the lashes. In that clip, I only did it for 1 hour, so yeah, you'll see the results I get. But without further ado, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I get over tired, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get over tired, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. Oh, yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh, she's so flirty. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try it. 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 Love the way we are together, I think we always stay this way. And I wanna build my whole world with you and my now. And now it will make us so much better, and there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, you let me try. I give you what you want. Girl, take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, cause I want bad enough, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I get over and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get over and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. Oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster.